Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So, before starting the lesson, first of all, I will ask you some questions related to the topic. And before starting the lesson, I will ask you some questions. Before that, you have to raise your hands. So, my first question is, from which country do you belong? Raise your hands. Yes.
India.
India. Good. Sit down. So you all belong from India. Now my second question is, what are the different festivals you celebrate in this country? What are the different festivals you celebrate in this country? Yes, very good. As she said that Diwali, Vaisakhi, Holi are the different festivals that you celebrate in this country. Now, which is your favorite festival? Yes, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Yes, Diwali. Why Diwali is your favorite festival? Crackers. And what are the other things we do on this Diwali? No collective answering. पूजा करते हैं. Very good. Sit down. So we do puja. We blow crackers. We draw different rangolis on Diwali. And we eat sweets, and you all eat different sweets. You wear different new clothes on Diwali. Now, this Diwali festivals is related to which culture? To which culture? Yes. Indian culture or which religion? No collective answering. Very good. Sit down. So this this festival is related to Hindu. Now name some other religions of India. Name some other religions of India. Yes, very good. Islam, Jainism, Buddhism, Hinduism. Very good. Sit down. So as she said that there are different festivals like Hinduism, Jainism, Sikhism. There are different festivals. So now tell me why these different religions have different festivals. Why these different religions have different festivals? So no answer. So answer of this question is because of their norms and ethics, they have their own religions and customs. So related to this answer, today's topic is understanding diversity. So write this topic on your copy, understanding diversity. So my first teaching point is meaning of understanding diversity. Now for this meaning, first of all, I need 4 students with their copies to come forward. Yes, who want to come forward for an activity? Yes, 4 children from your class with their copy and pen. With their copy and pen. Fast. Yes. First come, first activity. Yes, very good. 2 students. Yes. 3 and 4. Okay. Now with this you all have to do the same activity. You all 4 have to draw a drawing of a girl in your copy, and you all also have to draw a drawing of a girl in your copies. Draw fast. There is only 5 seconds for this. Draw a girl on your copies. Yes. Draw fast. Very good, very good. Have you drawn your girl? Have you drawn your drawing? Yes. Now, each of you four show your drawing to the class. Each of you four show your drawing to the class. Yes. Here is the first girl that she has made in her copy. Very good. Here is the second girl that she has drawn in her copy. And here is the third girl that she has drawn in her copy. Now, there is the fourth girl that she has drawn in your copy. And now, show your drawing to each other. Yes. Show your copy. Show your copy. Show your copy to each other. Yes. Now see. Now here is my girl that I have drawn on the board. So with this activity, very good. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. So in this activity, you have seen that is the girl is same in all copies. You all have drawn different faces of a girl in different style. So this means this is known as diversity. Where is the duster of your class? लेकर आओ. पॉज कर दो बेटा 2 मिनट के लिए. Now, with this, you came to know that you all have drawn the different girl in your copies. This is known as diversity. Diversity, that when each and every person or each and everything is different from each other. This is mean the diversity. Now, why diversity is important? Likewise, there is an example. If you all have similar faces, if an example is there that if you see some Chinese people, you always thought that they all have same faces. There is a thought in your mind that they all look same, but this is not true. Likewise, maybe they thought that you all are same. Okay? But this is not true now. Each and every person in this world have different faces, and that's why they look different from each other. Now, if I tell you that if you all go to a picnic, and I will tell you that you all have to wear the college dress or a school dress, is this a good thing? No, it's not a good thing, because it looks so boring that you are going to outside from the school and you are wearing the same uniform. That's why diversity is important. Diversity has its own norms that why different things are important. Likewise, another example is what you all have bring in your lunch box. Yes, tell me, what do you have bring in your lunch box? Yes? No? Yes? Raise your, yes? Beans? Yes? Shimla mirch? Yes? Tori. So different students have bring different vegetables or different lunch boxes. And when there is a lunch time, you all share your meal and then you will eat. And by this you will enjoy your food. But the students who live in a hostel and goes to a mess where there is the same food for all students, they get bored of eating that food. That's why when you meet a student who is residing in a hostel, he is more curious to eat food that is bring by his friend who is coming from a home, that there is very different, they bring different meals regularly in their tiffin box. So that's why diversity is very important for us. Now come to the religions that we have in our India. Now with this 4 to 5 students come here for an activity. Yes, come here for an activity. 5 students who has to come for the activity. Yes, 3, 4, 1 student more. Yes, yes, come forward. Yes, 4, 1 students more. I will give you one slip and you have to tell me which sign is related to which religion. ठीक है? This is for you, this is for you, this is for you, this is for you, and this is for you. You all have to show this sign to all the students, and then you have to tell me that which religion is related to this sign. Yes. First, this sign is related to? Yes, say loudly. By Christianity. This sign is related to Christianity. In the churches, you see this sign on their roof. Yes. This sign is related to Sikhism. Very good. This sign is related to Sikhism. This sign is related to Hinduism. This sign is related to Muslim or Islam. Very good. This sign is related to? Very good. Buddhism. This sign is related to Buddhism. So now tell me, is these religions reside in India?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So these all religions, the people belongs to these religions reside together in one country. Very good. For these slaves. So by this we came to know about that in India we have different religions. Now by this ये एक मिनट इसको यहाँ लगा दो ऊपर हाँ लगा दो. With the help of this Indian chart, our second teaching point is the different states and their different elements. So India is from north, south, east and west. How many states are there in India? No collective answering. Raise your hands and then answer the 28 states. Is this correct? No. 29 states are there in India. And how many UTs? Yes, raise your hands. No. How many union territories are there? 8 union territories? Yes. 8. This is correct. 9 union territories. 8 union. 9 union territories. Ladakh and 80 है. चलो इसका बाद में देखते हैं, मेरे को भी कंफ्यूज कर दोगे. अच्छा. Now focus on this chart. In the northern region, we have, look at this chart, in the northern region, we have Himalayas, and towards south, we have Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. So, in this region is a very cold region, and this region is pretty hot region. In this region, we have different seasons and in this region there is a moderate temperature. Now with this differentiation of temperature, we have with an example, I will with an activity. Now tell me, if there is cold, what kind of dresses we have to wear in that time? Or in December month, what kind of dresses you wear? Yes, we wear woolen dresses. Now, if there is very hot summers, what kind of dresses you will wear? Yes, cotton dresses. Very good. Likewise, in this topmost region, people wear coats, and with this, their eating habits are also different. And in the summers, the eating habits of the persons are different. So in this lesson of understanding diversity, we have two regions to discuss, that is Kerala and Ladakh. So our next teaching point is two different regions, that is Ladakh and fourth is Kerala. So where is Ladakh situated? Ladakh is situated in the or in this Jammu Kashmir. This part of Jammu Kashmir is called Ladakh. And Kerala is situated in the western Ghats of India. That is the southmost region of India. And with the help of a chart, I will explain you the different things of India. In this, you will see the different cultures of India. That is, first of all, this which kind of dance is this? Yeah, which form of dance is this? Raise your hands. No collective answering. Raise your hands. Kashmiri dance. So Kashmiri dances belong from Kashmir. Okay, this dances belongs from what kind of dance form is this? Yes, raise your hands. Yes, Punjab. What kind of dance form is this? Bhangra. Very good. Bhangra. This is a form of Bhangra and this belongs to Punjab. This is Punjab. Now, what kind of dance is this? Yes, raise your hands. Yes, raise your hands. Yes. Rajasthani dance. So, which kind of dance is this? No. Yes, raise your hands. Kathak. Very good. Now, yes, raise your hands and answer the question. Yes, who is this? Santa Claus. So in this belongs to Christianity. This if we tell about this temple, this belongs to Hinduism. This belongs to Sikhism. This belongs to Islam. This belongs to Hinduism or Buddhism. This belongs to Buddhism. This belongs to Christianity. So different things are different dance forms, different temples are residing in a same country, and this is called the diversity, and this diversity is very important for a country. Now, in your lesson, there is two states. With the help of a model, I will explain you. So, in this model, you will see that this model is visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is written here? North India. Northern India means the states belong to Ladakh. So in this you see that there are snow covered mountains, or we can say that these are the dry mountains. These are dry, and this is known as Ladakh. Ladakh is also known as the Dust Bowl of India. Ladakh is also known as, write this thing on your notebook, that second point is Ladakh. It is situated in the northern part of India. It is also called the Dust Bowl of India. Whenever there is a question, which state is known as the Dust Bowl of India, you always have to say that Ladakh is known as the Dust Bowl of India. Due to the high mountain ranges, the Karakoram and Pir Panjal range is situated in this region. Which range? Pir Panjal and Karakoram range. So write this thing in your notebook, that Karakoram range and Pir Panjal is situated in the range of Pir Panjal and Karakoram range. The Ladakh is situated. So name the two mountain ranges in which Ladakh is situated. Yes, raise your hands. Yes. Karakoram range and Pir Panjal. Sit down. Very good. So Karakoram and Pir Panjal range. Now the cattle or the animals found in this region is yak, by which the people this animal gives milk to them, and also they give wool to them. So main milk giving animal in this region is yak. Now the people residing in this area belongs to which religion? They belongs to Buddhism. And the language they spoke is Ladakhi, Tibetan and Urdu. Three languages are the main in this region, that is Ladakhi, Tibetan and Urdu. These are the three languages that are in this region. Now the different animals, likewise the snow leopard, deer, reindeer, bears are found in this region. So this is the northern part of this region of this northern part. The Ladakh is situated. In this part, Karakoram and Pir Panjal range, in which the Ladakh is situated. This is also called the Dust Bowl of India. Now, the second thing, that is the second part or the second region is Kerala. So in this part, this Kerala is situated in the Western Ghat or the southernmost part of the India. Now, in Kerala, you'll see the greenish mountains, or this is also known as the humid region of India, as they receive the maximum rain due to wind disturbances. And in this range, you will see the main dominant religion of this area is Islam and Christianity. So the people of this region used to used to eat fishes, and they go to sea, likewise Arabian Sea, and catch fishes, and they have the main food is the main source of food is fish, and the trees found there is coconut. The different animals that are found in this area is cheetahs, elephants, and the dance form that in this region is Bharatanatyam and Kathak. Bharatanatyam, Bharatanatyam and Kathak. So this Kathak and Bharatanatyam is belongs to the stories that are related to Ramayana and Mahabharata. Now the language that is spoken in this region is Malayalam, not Kannada. The language that is spoken in this region is Malayalam. Which language is spoken in this region in Kerala? No collective answering. No collective answering. Okay. So today we have studied about the diversity, the topic understanding diversity. In this we have studied that why diversity is important. By this we came to know each and every person has his own identity, and diversity is very important for the identical differentiations. After that we have studied that in India we have different religions, we have different food. In this Kerala, in this region, they used to eat fish, and in Ladakh they used to eat momos, chow mains, and the Ladakhi food, and they used to eat red meat or meat in their food. Now next we have studied about two different states of Kerala and Ladakh and their differentiation of their dresses. Likewise in this you will see that they have wear dhoti kurta and sari in this Kerala region, and in this they have wear, the people of this region, they have wear the woolen clothes because there is very cold in this region. By this the topic is ended. Now I will ask you some questions related to the topic. So here is an activity chart for you. Here is an activity chart for you. Yes. Wait for 1 minute. What time? So there is an activity. So one by one you all have to come here. Yes. We will start this activity from this. Yes, from there you have to come here. After that, students from next bench, you all have to come here. Pick one slip and paste in which region. Yes, very good. You got a star. Now next. Yes, come forward. Paste the slip. Yes. Yes, next, who want to come? Yes, come forward. Yes, clap for her. Yes, paste this thing, paste this slip. Yes, yes, come forward. Who want to come forward and answer the question? Yes, come forward. Yes, clap for her. Yes, next, come forward for an activity. Very good. Clap for him. Yes, next person. Yes, come forward. Paste the slip. Yes, next, come forward. Yes, clap for her. Next, come forward. Paste the slip on the board. Very good. Clap for her. Next, come forward. Last student. Yes. करो करो जल्दी आओ जल्दी. Very good. Come forward. Paste this slip. Very good. Clap for her. Very good. So you all have pasted the all the right answers on the activity chart. Now there are some another questions for you. Related to the lesson. Yes, for this you all have to come forward. Yes, the first question, Phillips dash refers to the group of people belonging to different regions, caste and cultures, etc. Yes, come forward and write the answer on the notebook. Yes, jaldi आइए. Very good. What is the answer? Say loudly.
Diversity.
Very good. There is a perfume on your hand. And India has many. Yes. No. Yes. Write this answer on the board. India has many religions. Clap for her. Now match the following. Yes, come forward. Join all the. Very good, very good, very good. So there is a perfume for you. Usko do aaya. Now next question is true false. Name one place or person are identical. Name of the places or persons. Sorry, none of the place or persons are identical. True or false? None of the place, कोई भी place और person एक जैसा identical नहीं है. True. Yes. Write the answer on the board. Yes. There is. Chalo. True. You got a star. Next, second question is food culture is same all over the India. Yes. No collective answering. Yes. False. Very good. You got a star. Now, choose the correct one. Ladakh has dash climate. First. No collective answering. Yes, come forward and write the answer. Ladakh has dash climate. Answer it loudly. Coldest. Clap for her. Main occupation of Kerala people is? Yes. Who wants to come? Yes. Very good. Answer the question. Fishing. Tick mark kar do. Very good. Clap for her. Now answer in one word only. Language of Kerala. Yes, raise your hand. No, write this answer on this board. हाँ ठीक है, आओ आओ जल्दी आओ. Write this answer on the board. जल्दी आओ, जल्दी लिखो आंसर. Now second question is most common milk giving animal in of Ladakh. Malayalam. Clap for her. 3 clap for her. Very good. Most common milk giving animal of Ladakh. Yes. No collective answering. Raise a yes. Write the answer on the board. Clap for her. Yes. Say loudly. What is the answer? Ladakh. Very good. So in this, first of all, thank you for your cooperation. If there is any question, okay, explanation भी रहने देना अभी, ठीक है. अब इसमें देखिए, सबसे पहले इसी से समझाती हूँ. आपके क्वेश्चंस आए, आपने देखा होगा फिलअप 1.1 के नॉलेज, फिर मैच द कॉलम 1.2 नॉलेज, ट्रू फॉल्स 2.5 अंडरस्टैंडिंग, फिर चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन 3.1 एप्लीकेशन, उसके बाद आंसर इन वन वर्ड ओनली 4.1 क्रिएटिविटी. ठीक है, तो जो मेरे टीचिंग पॉइंट्स थे, जो आपको मैं लेसन प्लान दूंगी, उसमें जो टीचिंग पॉइंट्स हैं, मतलब जो आपके EBOs हैं, वही आपके RLOs भी हैं. सो मैं आपको EBOs भी पढ़ के बताती हूँ अब, ठीक है, जिससे आपको ये क्लेरिफिकेशन हो जाए कि EBOs के साथ कैसे मैच करते हैं. फर्स्ट EBO इज द लर्नर विल एबल टू रिकॉल द कंसेप्ट एंड मीनिंग ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी. कंसेप्ट एंड मीनिंग ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी. तो यहाँ पे मीनिंग आ रहा है डाइवर्सिटी का, जहाँ डाइवर्सिटी ही आंसर है, और रिलीजन्स के साथ ये कोरिलेट करता है आंसर. उसके बाद सेकेंड है 1.2, द लर्नर विल एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज द साइंस ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी इन द सोशल सोसाइटी और रिलीजन्स. तो साइंस आए, हमने साइंस पढ़ाए और उसके साथ वही उसका क्वेश्चन बना दिया. उसके बाद थर्ड था हमारा द लर्नर विल एबल टू इंटरप्रेट द रीज़न फॉर डाइवर्सिटी इन इंडिया. रीज़न क्या है डाइवर्सिटी? तो सारे लोग जो है वो एक जैसे नहीं हैं. हाँ ठीक है, क्या फूड सेम है? ना, फूड भी अलग अलग है. ये रीज़न है ना फूड भी अलग होने का या सारे लोगों के अलग होने का. उसके बाद है द लर्नर विल बी रीज़न आउट द डाइवर्सिटी बाय अप्लाइंग द एक्वायर्ड नॉलेज. एक्वायर्ड नॉलेज को अप्लाई करके, तो यहाँ पे आपने नॉलेज अप्लाई की, हॉट कोल्ड और ह्यूमिड में से एक चीज़ आपने ढूंढी यहाँ पे. उसके बाद लास्ट था मेरा द लर्नर विल एबल टू एनालाइज द डाइवर्सिटी इन इंडियन स्टेट्स. इंडियन स्टेट्स में डाइवर्सिटी थी, वो लैंग्वेज में हमने केरला की पूछ ली और मिल्क के लिए हमने लद्दाख की पूछ ली. ठीक है, तो ऐसे करके हमने अपने EBOs और RLOs को जो आपके EBOs होंगे वही आपके RLOs. ठीक है, यानी कि जब आप ना कुछ अपना लेसन प्लान लिखने शुरू करोगे, स्टार्टिंग में ही आपके RLOs बन जाएंगे. जैसे आप पहला EBO लोगे, उसका क्वेश्चन पहले ही फ्रेम हो जाएगा. आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन से पहले ही आपके जो है वो EBO और RLO जो है वो फ्रेम हो चुके होते हैं. ठीक है, थैंक यू.